Hello and welcome all of you to our YouTube channel SimplifyX. Today let's see how to take a screen capture or a screenshot in Windows 10. Okay, so here is our Word document opened. Suppose I need to take a screen capture in this area, right? So how can I do that? First go to start, then type Snipping Tool. Here is the Snipping Tool, click that. Then we get a dialog box. Then I'll click new. You see that when I click new, the screen was grayed out, right? The screen looks dim here. That means now you are in the snipping mode or in the screen capture mode. So I need to take the screen capture of this area. So what I do is I click the crosshair in the left upper corner and then drag, drawing a rectangle, right. Now I have this snap. Now I want to save it. Hit save. Then you can give it a name, test snip. There are several types as well. You can save it as a PNG file, GIF or JPEG or even an HTML. I want to save it as a JPEG file. Then I'll hit save. Let's go to desktop, see whether we have our snip. Here is our test snip. So when we double click here, we get our snip or the screen capture. So that is how basically you do a screen capture or a screenshot in Windows 10. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest update of our video uploads. Thank you and see you next time.